Hey YouTubers, I'm going to make a troubleshooting video on this shop vac right here. I got it about 1.5 years ago, probably maybe 2 years ago. It's a VacMaster Beast and it's 12 gallons of 5.5 horse, and it's been a good vac, but I tried to use it on my hot tub out in the back to drain the last remaining water out, and it got hot and stopped working. And I thought for sure I was going to have to go and purchase another vacuum. And I said, well, let me look and see on the wiring on this, and if it's not getting power. And me and my dad got together. He's an electrical engineer, very, very smart as a whip, I might add. And he wanted to troubleshoot it with me. So I said, okay, let's tear it apart and look at it. And instead of just throw it away or recycle it or whatever, $300 for a new vacuum. So we took it apart and endeavored to troubleshoot it. And sure enough, this black wire right here has a inline fuse. And there's the inline fuse that went bad. That protects the motor, and that it did its job. It protected the motor, but it didn't work. It wouldn't even come back on. It was no power, but that's what was causing it. And instead of throw it away, we troubleshot it a little bit, got it back together. Now it's working, and it's a good vacuum. I just wanted to share that with you. Don't throw anything away that appears dead, because it's probably still can be revived. I just wanted to add to this that I had left out. There's one tricky screw to getting this thing apart. They're all Phillips screws, this type, but there's one screw that's this type, if you can see that. And so I had to buy this little set at Home Depot, the security set for electrical, and this one here fits it. And I had to have this. I don't know if you can see that, but that's bright. But it's these right here, and that I was able to get that screw out with these tips. We got the little hole in the center of it, and that helped us tremendously. We were able to get it off.